Rising strong after setbacks. Setbacks are not the end, they are the start of something new. Every time you fall, you learn, you grow, you rise. Mistakes become lessons. Disappointment becomes fuel. You are not defined by what goes wrong, but by how you come back. Resilience is a choice. Courage is a habit. You find strength in the struggle, wisdom in the pain, power in the recovery. Let today be about standing tall after you have fallen. Move forward even if it's slowly. Try again even if you're afraid. Let your comeback be stronger than your setback. What will you do differently next time you fall?